Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to trim guinea pig nails? Let's find out. Trimming your guinea pig's nails is an essential part of their care routine. Overgrown nails can cause discomfort and health issues, so regular maintenance is important. Start by gently holding your guinea pig in a secure but comfortable position. Use a small animal nail clipper for precision. First, identify the pink part inside the nail that contains blood vessels. It's crucial to avoid cutting into the quick, as this can cause pain and bleeding. In guinea pigs with darker nails, you can use a small flashlight to help see the quick more clearly. Trim just the tip of the nail, taking care to cut a little bit at a time to avoid any accidents. If you accidentally cut the quick, apply cornstarch or styptic powder to stop the bleeding. Stay calm and soothe your guinea pig if this happens. It's helpful to have a second person to hold the guinea pig or distract them with treats during the process. In summary, trimming your guinea pig's nails requires careful handling and the right tools. Trim just the tip of each nail, avoiding the quick, and use cornstarch or styptic powder if bleeding occurs. Regular nail trimming will keep your guinea pig comfortable and healthy. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.